Dozens of people had to be rescued from a tower block in East London this morning after a fire broke out and spread over 3 floors. The flats are partially covered in cladding similar to the type used at Grenfell Tower. More than 30 people needed medical treatment for smoke inhalation. Our Home Affairs correspondent Tom Simons reports.
Help, help!
For people in flats with fire safety issues, this is the nightmare. But at 9 this morning, it's what confronted residents.
As I opened the door to leave my flat, that's when I bumped into one of the security guards running up, screaming that there's a fire, get out. And he was sweating, and I could clearly tell that this was serious, it wasn't a drill.
120 firefighters tackled the flames and rescued residents, some suffering from the effects of the smoke.
We recognise that this has got cladding that is very similar to Grenfell. We have got our fire investigation teams and our fire safety teams looking at this building and the procedures that we put in place.
The fire spread 3 floors of a building which has silver cladding, identified as a risk. Experts believe it is likely to be combustible, and work to start removing it was due to begin in the coming weeks. But that's after a delay of more than 3.5 years since it was first identified as a problem.
This could happen again. We need to get this cladding off buildings as soon as possible. Not waiting around for finance, not waiting around for new bills to go through government. Get it off, keep us all safe. There are hundreds of thousands of people that are affected by this.
The building's owner, Ballymore, said the cladding didn't play a part in today's fire. But the government has accused a subsidiary of the company of consistently failing to take action to remove it. £8 million from the government's Building Safety Fund has been allocated to speed things up. But flat owners will have to find the rest. That's £3.5 million. Tom Simons, BBC News, East London.